Hello everyone, welcome to my channel.
In the service of the Filipino.
This short video tip, how to log in Facebook no password. By using phone number or email. Let's start it. First go to browser. Like Google. In the address bar, type facebook.com/login. Enter email or cell phone number. Then click Forgot Password. Then enter your login mobile number. Then click Search. Select method how to send the code. This time, select via SMS to phone number. Send your code to mobile number. Check on your inbox.